Hi everyone, this is Dr. Wes Fryer. It's October the 13th, 2020, and in this video I'd like to show you a couple things about some updates that Google has made to Google Meet that are fantastic and will be of interest to any of us who are teaching via remote learning or having students at home or just needing to do what we're calling a lesson cast when you're recording. These are some great features. So we're going to first talk about meeting safety and then layout changes. I'll mention background blur really quick. So I've got myself in the double pane here. I've got my background blurred, and so that is just a real easy on and off thing that you may or may not want to do. But let's talk about meeting safety. Down here in the bottom left corner of my screen, I've got host controls. And so if you do not want students to chat during your class or during a particular part of your class, you can just simply click the meeting safety icon in the bottom left corner and choose to turn off chat messages. You can also turn off the ability for students to share their screen. I do think the chat can be very helpful. Your students can help, put links in, but it's important to give expectations and guidelines. You can't block individual students to chat. It's just everybody on or off, but it's nice that they have that feature here. You also could consider turning off the quick access once you're in a meeting. Someone can't join if they don't have the link, but the way that Google Meet is set up for security, you have to be manually adding people who aren't part of your school domain. So someone who doesn't have an email address with our school, can't join that. So that might be a little more if you're using Google Meet with a mixed group of folks who are not from your organization. That could be a parent event or something else. The main thing I think that's going to be helpful here is this ability to turn off chat and screen sharing right here. So the next thing I want to talk about a little real quickly is the layout, and this is really important. So when you go to your three dots here in the bottom right corner, you can choose to change the layout. And you can see that there's now 4 choices. Sidebar is what I have selected here. Spotlight is just going to have one person. The real big deal here is tiled, and you can choose how many tiles you want, all the way up to 49 plus yourself. So you can have up to 50 student tiles shared in the same view, and that really is fantastic. So that means that you should be able, hopefully, unless you're teaching a really big class, hopefully that means you're going to be able to see all of your students and be able to see them in a tile view. So that is outstanding. And that's just all the things I wanted to talk about here. So I'm going to put a link in the show notes to a little video that Shawn Beard just created where he talks about Jamboard and those whiteboarding options, and encourage you to check that out. Coming soon, also we've got the breakout rooms, which I don't think that's in our version. It's supposed to be rolling out this month, and we're looking forward to that as another great option. If you want to find more information about using your technology tools, including your Google tools, I'd encourage you to visit our website, which is support.cassidy.org, and that's where this video will be posted and other updates that relate to the use of Google Classroom, Seesaw, all of our Google tools, and the other kinds of both in-person, blended and hybrid learning and remote learning tools that we're using with students this year. Have a great day.